Prompt engineering is the art of crafting inputs to guide artificial intelligence systems like ChatGPT towards generating the desired outcomes. It's about understanding the AI's language processing and fine-tuning your prompts to ensure clarity and relevance. As AI weaves itself into the fabric of our daily lives, the skill of prompt engineering becomes invaluable, enhancing the AI's accuracy and utility across various fields, from customer service to creative writing. Why are effective prompts so crucial? Firstly, they ensure accuracy. A clear, specific prompt leads to a precise response from the AI. Secondly, they boost efficiency by cutting down on the need for additional questions. Thirdly, they guarantee relevance. The more context you provide, the more tailored the AI's response will be. Lastly, they enhance the overall interaction, making AI a more enjoyable and useful tool. Consider this example. A vague prompt like, "Tell me about marketing," pales in comparison to a specific one such as, "Explain the key components of a successful digital marketing strategy for a small e-commerce business." The latter is far more likely to yield a useful and relevant response, as it clearly outlines the needed information. ChatGPT, a brainchild of OpenAI, is a sophisticated language model that understands and generates text that's remarkably human-like. Thanks to its transformer architecture, it can process language and produce coherent, contextually appropriate responses. ChatGPT's capabilities are vast, including answering diverse questions, providing recommendations, assisting with creative writing, offering technical support, and contributing to personal development. Its versatility makes ChatGPT an invaluable asset for both personal and professional use. Mastering prompt engineering is the key to unlocking its full potential, ensuring that every interaction with this AI is as effective as it can be. This chapter is just the beginning, laying the groundwork for understanding prompt engineering's significance and ChatGPT's capabilities. It's a primer for the more intricate techniques and applications that will be explored in the chapters to come. Crafting effective prompts is more art than science, and it starts with clarity and specificity. When you're vague, you leave too much room for interpretation. For instance, asking an AI about marketing is like casting a net in the ocean and hoping for a specific fish. Instead, be precise. Explain the key components of a successful digital marketing strategy for a small e-commerce business. Here, you've given the AI a clear direction: digital marketing, a specific audience, small e-commerce business, and a defined request, key components. Next up, context is king. It's the difference between a generic response and one that's tailored just for you. Without context, asking, "How do I set up a network?" is like asking for directions without a destination. But add in the details. How do I set up a secure home network for remote work as an IT professional? And suddenly, the AI can provide a response that zeroes in on security and professional requirements, making it infinitely more useful. Now, let's tackle complexity. Complex queries can overwhelm an AI, resulting in broad, unfocused answers. The trick is to break it down. Instead of the daunting, "How do I start a business?" try, "What are the initial steps to start a small online retail business, including market research, business planning, and legal requirements?" By dissecting the question into market research, business planning, and legal requirements, you guide the AI to address each element with the attention it deserves. In conclusion, the secret sauce to crafting prompts that get you the best out of AI systems like ChatGPT lies in being clear, specific, providing context, and breaking down complex queries. These basic principles are your stepping stones to becoming a prompt engineering pro, ready to unlock the full potential of AI in your endeavors. And remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of advanced techniques waiting in the chapters ahead. When you're diving into the depths of a new topic, words like explain, define, and describe are your torches in the dark. They compel the AI to simplify the complex, turning jargon into clarity. For instance, asking to explain the concept of blockchain technology prompts a breakdown of this intricate subject into bite-sized pieces. To ground abstract ideas or to discern the nuances between two concepts, example and compare are your go-to keywords. They're the tools that sketch the tangible picture, like when you request, "Provide an example of a successful digital marketing campaign," or inquire, "Compare the benefits of using Python versus Java for web development." When the path ahead needs illuminating, phrases such as "how to," "tips," and "best practices" shine a light on the next steps. They signal the AI to switch into mentor mode, offering nuggets of wisdom like "how to improve time management skills," or "what are the best practices for maintaining cybersecurity in a small business?" In the quest for knowledge, overview, statistics, and recent developments are your compass, map, and binoculars. They guide the AI to compile data and updates, whether you're seeking an overview of the current state of AI technology, or the latest statistics on remote work productivity. For those seeking structure, steps, checklist, and timeline are the scaffolding that helps build your plan. These keywords help the AI lay out the blueprint, answering queries like, what are the steps to create a successful marketing campaign? Or, can you provide a checklist for setting up a secure home office? To critically appraise or judge, evaluate, assess, and review are the lenses that bring things into focus. They direct the AI to scrutinize and critique, whether you're asking it to evaluate the effectiveness of the Agile methodology or to review the latest iPhone model and its key features. For advice tailored to your unique situation, recommend, suggest, and advise are your personal consultants. These keywords nudge the AI to consider your circumstances, whether you're asking for books recommended for learning about financial independence or advice on improving team communication in a remote work environment. To venture into the realm of what-ifs scenario, what if and imagine are your keys to unlock alternative realities. They encourage the AI to think creatively, pondering outcomes like, in a scenario where a company faces a cybersecurity breach, what immediate actions should be taken? Merging keywords can sharpen your prompts, ensuring you receive thorough answers. A compound prompt like, explain the concept of blockchain technology and provide an example of how it's used in finance, yields a rich, multifaceted response. Mastering the art of keyword crafting transforms your interactions with AI systems like ChatGPT. By strategically deploying these words and phrases, you can extract precise, relevant, and actionable insights, whether you're on a quest for knowledge, in need of guidance, or sparking creative solutions. When you're ready to take your prompt engineering to the next level, start by weaving multiple keywords into your queries. This isn't just about throwing in more words. It's about creating a rich tapestry that guides the AI to deliver nuanced and comprehensive answers. For instance, asking the AI to explain the concept of blockchain technology and provide an example of how it's used in finance layers the keywords to dig deeper into the subject. Next up, scenario-based prompts are your go-to for practical situation-specific insights. By defining a scenario and the desired outcome, you set the stage for the AI to provide targeted advice. Take, for example, the prompt, in a scenario where a company faces a cybersecurity breach, what immediate actions should be taken? This approach hones the AI's focus and delivers actionable responses. Don't shy away from hypotheticals. Questions that start with what if or imagine push the boundaries of the AI's creative thinking. They're perfect for exploring future possibilities or alternative realities. Asking, what if interest rates increase significantly? How would that impact the housing market? Encourages the AI to analyze potential future scenarios, offering you a glimpse into what could be. Context is king in prompt engineering. By embedding situational context, you're essentially giving the AI a lens through which to view your query, resulting in more precise and relevant answers. For example, considering the current market trends, what investment strategies would you recommend for someone looking to achieve financial freedom in the next 10 years? This prompt is grounded in the present but looks ahead, providing a tailored response. Personalization is the final piece of the puzzle. Customizing prompts to reflect your individual circumstances or goals can transform the AI's responses from generic to genuinely useful. A prompt like, as an IT professional working from home, what ergonomic tips can help me improve my workspace and reduce strain? Speaks directly to your personal situation, ensuring the advice you receive is applicable and valuable. Mastering these advanced techniques in prompt engineering, multiple keywords, scenario-based prompts, hypothetical questions, contextual prompts, and personalization, will elevate your interactions with AI systems like ChatGPT. By crafting sophisticated prompts, you unlock the AI's potential to provide detailed, relevant, and actionable responses, making it an indispensable tool for a wide range of applications. Whether you're delving into technology, strategizing for business, or seeking personalized advice, these strategies will refine your prompt engineering skills and enhance the quality of information you receive. In the bustling world of business and marketing, prompt engineering is a game changer. Take the case of a small e-commerce business aiming to amplify its online presence. By asking, what are the key components of a successful digital marketing strategy for a small e-commerce business? The owner uncovers the importance of SEO, content marketing, and social media strategies. Another prompt, provide an example of a successful social media marketing campaign for an e-commerce brand, offers a treasure trove of actionable insights and inspiration. For startups navigating the competitive tech landscape, prompt engineering is invaluable. Queries like, how do I conduct a comprehensive market analysis for a tech startup? And what tools and methods are best for analyzing competitors in the tech industry? Guide startups through SWOT analysis, competitor benchmarking, and industry trends, providing a clear roadmap for market analysis. Personal development also benefits from tailored prompts. An individual struggling with time management might use prompts such as, "What are some effective time management techniques for professionals?" to discover methods like the Pomodoro technique and time blocking. Similarly, someone pursuing financial independence could ask, "How do I set smart goals for achieving financial independence?" to learn about goal-setting principles and financial planning. In technical support, prompt engineering quickly resolves issues. An IT professional setting up a home network might use the prompt, "How do I set up a secure home network for remote work as an IT professional?" to receive detailed setup and security instructions. For software troubleshooting, prompts like, "What are common issues with software name, and how can I fix them?" provide step-by-step solutions. In education, AI-driven prompts like, "How do I create an effective study guide for a biology exam?" help students craft study plans and focus on key topics. Those learning new skills, such as programming, benefit from prompts such as, "What are the best resources for learning Python for beginners?" which direct them to the best learning materials and structured guides. Creative writers and content creators use prompts to spark imagination and structure their work. A writer might ask for a plot outline for a mystery novel set in Victorian London, while a content marketer could request a content calendar for a month of blog posts on social media strategies. These prompts not only generate ideas, but also help in organizing and refining content. The real-world applications of prompt engineering are vast and varied. From enhancing business strategies to personal growth, technical troubleshooting to educational support, and creative endeavors to content marketing, effective prompts empower users to harness the full potential of AI. This chapter showcases the transformative power of well-crafted prompts, illustrating their role in achieving success across multiple domains. Crafting the perfect prompt for AI can be tricky. Common pitfalls include vagueness, like asking, "Tell me about technology," which is too broad. Instead, specificity wins. Explain the impact of blockchain technology on financial services. Overloading is another issue, where prompts are packed with multiple questions. It's better to separate them. How do I start a small business? Followed by, what are effective marketing strategies for new businesses? Don't forget context. It's crucial. Instead of, what are some good marketing strategies? Provide specifics. What are effective marketing strategies for a small online retail business? Lastly, never assume the AI remembers past interactions. Always restate or reference previous context for clarity. Improving prompts is a process of evolution. Start simple, like, explain blockchain technology, and then add layers. Explain how blockchain technology can improve supply chain transparency. Analyzing the AI's responses is key to identifying what needs fine-tuning. If a response is too general, make your prompt more specific. Then, adjust and retest. For example, change. How do I improve my business? To, what strategies can I use to improve customer retention in my online store? This cycle of refinement is essential for crafting effective prompts. To ensure your prompts are on point, testing and validation are non-negotiable. A/B testing can be a powerful tool. Compare prompts like, what are the benefits of remote work? Against, what are the advantages and challenges of remote work? To see which is more effective. User feedback is also invaluable. Share prompts with colleagues and evaluate the AI's responses together. Consistency checks are important too. Test prompts like, how do I set up a secure home network? Multiple times to ensure the AI's responses are reliable. Feedback is the compass that guides prompt refinement. Use it to identify where a prompt may be lacking. If a prompt is deemed too technical, simplify it. For instance, change, explain neural networks to explain the basics of neural networks in simple terms, if feedback suggests the original was too complex. Remember, refining prompts is a continuous journey. Keep gathering feedback and tweaking your prompts to enhance their effectiveness. Troubleshooting and refining prompts is an art that requires understanding common mistakes, iterative improvement, rigorous testing, and responsiveness to feedback. By applying these strategies, you'll craft prompts that lead to more accurate, relevant, and useful AI responses. This is the essence of prompt engineering, a meticulous process that, when done right, unlocks the full potential of AI interactions. As AI technology advances, prompt engineering is set to transform with it. Natural language processing, or NLP, is at the forefront, with models becoming more sophisticated in understanding and responding to prompts. Imagine AI systems that grasp the full context of a conversation, providing personalized responses that feel incredibly human. The future also holds multimodal AI systems, combining text, images and audio for richer interactions, and conversational AI that mimics the fluidity of human dialogue. The fusion of AI with machine learning is revolutionizing prompt engineering. AI systems will soon learn from each interaction, constantly refining their responses. Personalization will reach new heights, with responses tailored to individual user histories. The creation of prompts could become automated, with AI suggesting prompts based on user goals and context. Additionally, machine learning will analyze vast datasets to uncover patterns that enhance prompt effectiveness. Human-AI collaboration is evolving into a partnership where AI augments human intelligence, aiding in everything from decision-making to creativity. Together, humans and AI will tackle complex challenges, combining strengths for superior problem-solving. Ethical considerations will take center stage, ensuring AI is used responsibly. AI systems will be crafted with a human-centric approach, focusing on user experience and inclusivity. Ethical considerations are crucial in prompt engineering. Efforts must be made to eliminate bias, ensuring AI reflects a multitude of perspectives. Privacy and data protection are paramount, as is transparency about AI operations. Users must have oversight and control, maintaining the ability to intervene in AI-generated responses. These principles will guide the responsible deployment of AI systems. The trajectory of prompt engineering is closely tied to AI's rapid evolution and the changing dynamics of human-AI interaction. By harnessing emerging technologies, leveraging AI and machine learning, fostering human-AI collaboration, and adhering to ethical standards, prompt engineering will not only advance, but also ensure AI is used in ways that are empowering, responsible, and aligned with human values.